was so happy to meet so many people from different places, and it feels like we all came here for growth. And I really hope to see everyone's growth, including my own. So it's so far loving it, even though today it's a lot of information, but I'm catching up.
It's been great. We have the opportunity to interact with different people coming from different sectors. So that's really interesting because we all have a different strength or we bring different value to our classes. So I think what I've enjoyed the most is the interactions with the other students, and yeah, so it's been very good, very interesting.
I'm working with C executives, so want to learn how the decision making, how the critical thinking, how the emotional intelligence with them. That's why I decided to go with.
So far, I enjoyed it. It's not a one-sided lecture. It's a collaboration of from the lecturer, from the other cohort as well. So, yeah, it's a great learning.
I do believe that the workshops is the most important part of the program. This is a great opportunity for our students to challenge themselves, working in a group towards the same objectives, but yet working with different people, different background, coming from different nationalities. But again, they put their differences aside and they work together towards achieving the best out of the workshop. It's also a learning opportunity because we do believe that students do not only learn from books, the resources, the academics that we have, but also they will learn a great deal from each other, their experiences. And again, because our program is applied learning, so that's a great opportunity for them to share their experiences, their technically challenges sometimes, and how they usually overcome certain obstacles. So that's why the workshops is really important. And again, it's they're the only opportunity when they can see each other face to face. This is also the most exciting part of what we do, because we get to see our students, make sure they are fine, they are doing well in the program, and again, strengthen that relationship that we believe that will last forever.
I see the MBA as a vital bridge between my clinical expertise and my vision of becoming a strategic leader capable of reshaping healthcare at a systems level.
The workshop experience is actually very exciting. I wasn't expecting it to be in this way. The interaction that we're having in the workshop is very informative, is very interesting. We get to not just study theories, but see how this theories is applied in the real world.
Manchester is the highest ranking university that I could find in UAE. So yeah, and this motivated me to enroll for Global MBA program with Manchester.
It was really intensive experience. We had only 2 afternoons to prepare our team presentation with people we just met from all over the world, different languages, different sector, different mindset. But that's what makes it funny and interesting, and the challenge pushed us to learn from each other really quickly. So at the end, it was really intensive workshop, but truly enriching.
Actually, as education is the key, you have to always develop yourself. And MBA in specific, I was checking between. I'm a finance major in accounting, so I wanted something different than masters in finance. That's why I chose MBA, because it gives you a holistic view of everything, every different industries, every different thing. For me, this is the main issue that I chose MBA instead of any other masters.